I lost my Wi-Fi password, my JustAnswer, and I'm trying to connect it to my phone.
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
AEC08LXL1, and I'm not sure the brand. And today.
What have you tried so far with your air conditioner?
Just tried connecting it to my phone.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's it.
Did you write the Wi-Fi password down?
But I lost the paper. I was hoping you guys could help me.
There might be a password the back of the thermostat.
Where is the thermostat located?
On the wall by the filter grill.
Okay, hold on, let me check.
It will say Wi-Fi pass.
I don't see anything.
Look on the right side of the window unit. The password MAC address should be on a sticker.
That's all that's there.
You will need to call GE at 1- if the sticker is missing. I would look all over the unit inside and out for the connectivity sticker before calling.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.